In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shift cells down in Google Sheets. If you've ever realized you forgot to add an entry in the middle of a column and don't want to throw off everything next to it, this is exactly what you need. We're going to create space in a very specific spot without disturbing neighboring columns or your overall layout. Start by highlighting the exact cells you want to push downward. Click the first cell in your column where the gap should begin, then drag to include only the cells you intend to move. Keep your selection tight and deliberate. The accuracy here ensures you don't nudge anything you didn't mean to. This approach is perfect when you're adding a missed value or making room for a correction in a single column while keeping adjacent columns perfectly aligned. With your selection ready, go to the top menu and open Insert. In the options that appear, choose Cells, and then select Cells and shift down. Google Sheets will instantly open a gap right where you highlighted, moving those specific cells down one level. Everything to the left and right stays put, so your surrounding data and structure remain intact. Your formatting in those cells moves with them too. If you use formulas that reference these cells, Sheets typically updates references automatically, but it's always smart to glance over your key formulas afterward just to confirm everything still points where you expect. If you're testing things out or change your mind, remember you can undo immediately. A quick undo will put everything back exactly as it was. There's also a time-saving shortcut when your goal is to move the entire row instead of just a small selection. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus the equal key. That instantly inserts a full blank row and shifts everything below it down in one step. It's fast, consistent, and especially handy when you're working with large tables. On many keyboards, the equal sign shares a key with the plus symbol, but you only need the equal key for this shortcut. To recap, highlight precisely where you need space, use Insert, then Cells, and shift down to move only those cells one level lower. For a full row shift, use the Ctrl plus Alt plus equal shortcut. With these two techniques, you can keep your spreadsheet organized, insert new data exactly where it belongs, and protect the structure of your surrounding columns. Give it a try on a copy of your sheet first if you want to experiment with confidence.